Hello everybody, myself Pradeep Jat, and today we are going to discuss about read alouds. So read alouds are the first type of questions in speaking zone. So we are given almost 3 to 4 read alouds in the starting of this speaking zone, and the marks contain its importance in speaking as well as in reading also. So in reading it gives 22 marks, and for speaking for each question it gives 15 marks, in which the marks are divided into three criteria. First one is content, then fluency, and then pronunciation. Content contains 5 marks, fluency contains 5 marks, and pronunciation contains 5 marks. So how can we read aloud, how it should be done, how can we score marks, we will talk about it. So in this, a bar will draw, and it will give you 35 seconds to prepare. Then you need to repeat what is written in the statement. So I will give you a sample question, and I will do myself and will let you know how can you do this. So let's start. So here is the question which you can see, and how you should prepare, that is start. Symptoms of depression decrease with improvements in sense of smell, particularly among patients with dysomnia. New research published in the journal Scientific Reports highlights the intricate relationship between depression and sense of smell. The study found that participants' symptoms of depression dropped as their odor identification improved, particularly among those with an impaired sense of smell. So, in this way, you don't need to go too fast or too slow, and you need to pronunciate each and every word, and you will be given 35 seconds before your actual timing. So in those 35 seconds you need to read as you will read in the final, so that you can have an idea that which word you can struck, and which word you can have more stress on that. So first read in 35 seconds so you that have a idea, and if you have a major problem in any of one or two words, then you can skip that word. So you need a hard practice so that you can skip that word and you don't get stress in your mind. So skipping that word is a smart idea, and some people will suggest you about one line strategy, but I personally don't believe in one line strategy, because that can give you marks in speaking zone, but you will lack marks in reading, because only content can give you marks in the reading, and reading takes around 22 marks from this read aloud section. So it is not a good idea that if you are going with one line strategy. So I will suggest you to completely read all the brief paragraph which is given to you. So you need a hard practice, be confident, and you should be considering the whole content. The fluency should be proper. As you started your paragraph and as you end your paragraph, this fluency should be completely same in all the paragraph, and you don't need to stress a single word like improvements or particularly. You need to go smoothly, just like I will show you once more. Like start. Symptoms of depression decrease with improvements in sense of smell, particularly among patients with dysomnia. New research published in the journal Scientific Reports highlights the intricate relationship between depression and sense of smell. So you should read like this, and you can take natural pauses. You can take pauses after every 3 to 4 words, but you need to take not more than 3 seconds of pause, because after 3 seconds it will automatically be submitted. So you can take pauses less than 3 seconds. So taking pauses and going further, it should look like you are a natural reader, or you are reading it naturally, there is no mixture. So this is the way to read, and this is the thing you should need to do. And as soon as you complete your paragraph, you need to do next, so that unnecessary sounds should not be captured. Like in exam hall, you will be having many people around you. Someone is giving right to you, someone is giving their exam left to you, so their noise can also be added, and it will have a cut on your fluency. So submit or press the next button as soon as you complete your read aloud. So this is the way to complete your read aloud. Thank you.